Samsung's 75QN70F model is a NeoQLED 4K smart TV that combines technology and aesthetics, taking home cinema systems to a new dimension with its enormous 75-inch screen. This television, thanks to the quantum mini LEDs at the heart of its NeoQLED technology, offers much more precise light control compared to traditional LEDs. As a result, Quantum Matrix Technology Slim provides a stunning contrast balance by creating pure blacks in the darkest areas while preserving details even in the brightest scenes. At the core of the television is the NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor, which transforms the visual and audio experience. This AI-powered processor analyzes content scene by scene, upscaling low-resolution images to near 4K quality. This intelligent upscaling allows you to watch both streaming movies and old videos with incredible clarity. At the same time, the AI-supported AI mode automatically optimizes picture and sound settings based on the room's lighting conditions and the type of content being watched, ensuring the most ideal viewing experience every time. Audio quality is another strong point of this model. Adaptive Sound Pro technology dynamically changes the sound settings according to the type of content you are watching, while the active voice amplifier feature separates dialogue from background noise, allowing you to hear it clearly. Object Tracking Sound Light, on the other hand, creates virtual speakers that follow the movement of objects on the screen, providing a three-dimensional sound experience that makes you feel right in the middle of the action. For gamers, the 75QN70F has some impressive features. The motion accelerator technology, with refresh rates up to 144 Hz, provides fluid and clear images even in fast-paced action scenes. AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, enabling a low-latency HDR gaming experience. With the Game Bar interface, you can easily manage in-game settings such as FPS, input lag, and more. With its incredibly thin and elegant AirSlim design, this television integrates seamlessly into modern living rooms. Multi-connectivity options and built-in voice assistants like Bixby and Alexa make device control and content searching extremely easy. The multi-view feature allows you to watch two different contents at the same time, maximizing multitasking capability. In short, the Samsung 75QN70F is a comprehensive multimedia hub that combines superior picture and sound performance with AI-powered smart features, appealing to both cinema and gaming enthusiasts.